Hey guys, in today's video I'm gonna talk about one of the most beautiful digital products people love to have, and this product is cheat sheets. Yes, you heard that right. It's a small piece of paper that contains high valuable information in any topic you like. Its content could be tips and tricks, hacks, workflows, tutorials, insights, and whatnot. Thus, yup, it's a short and concise message but powerful. So in this video I'm gonna show you how we can create these stunning cheat sheets and how we can make money online with them step by step. So now let's get started. And first and foremost, the first logic step here, just we can head over to ChatGPT, where we can ask this amazing tool to get some ideas to create our cheat sheets in the upcoming steps. So for example, here you can answer to this prompt like give me ideas to create cheat sheets in a specific niche. It could be in swimming, pregnancy, traveling, technology, AI, and so forth. So here, for example, give me in the swimming niche, for example, and now we can click over this button, enter. And here in just a few seconds here, it gives me a bunch of beautiful ideas to create our cheat sheets, like this one for technique and stroke cheat sheets, and another one for training and workouts, and another one for tools required for swimming, and so on and so forth, as you see. So here we can get different ideas, and now we can move on to the next step here just by going to this amazing website that is mymap.ai. It's a wonderful website that convert your ideas into diagrams and mind maps and so on using the power of AI. So now it's here going to try for free button and sign up for free. Select your plan, and here in this box just you can head over to this one and answer this prompt, create your cheat sheet about your specific topic that you got from ChatGPT in the previous step. So for example, here I just type something like create a cheat sheet, the best tricks for and swimming, for example, quickly, and now click over enter. As you see, amazing cheat sheet here for beginners in swimming, as you observe. Perfect one. So here you can find different boxes contain different tricks and tips. So here just we can customize this cheat sheet a little bit here by, if you click over this right button here, you can make an extension of the content here, as you see, to be more visible, or you can make it longer as you want. It's better for you, like this one and this one, and for sure you can make it higher a little bit here and move this title to be in this top level, and so on. Perfect. So here you can find an amazing and clear box here for breathing techniques, arm movements, practice routines, mental focus, and so on. So here you can find up there different tools here. So here you can insert this box, text card, or anything else to answer to your title or any text you like beside the content of this cheat sheet. Or here you can insert something like errors between the boxes if you want to point something very important here, or you can make a relevant connection between different boxes in your cheat sheets. Here you can insert your frame, column, and so on. So here in this tutorial, just we can use this one that says adding your text card. So here I just select this one, for example, and insert here in this area, like this one, for example. Okay, and here we can change its style, so we can make it like this one, blue, for example. Perfect. Like this one, can make it bigger a little bit. Amazing. And here you can insert your title as you like. And for sure we are gonna use this amazing box later and shortly in this video. And here just we can done making your cheat sheets. This one for best tricks for beginners in swimming. And now it's time to just get this cheat sheet to your device. So here, if we click over this one, just you can go to 3 dots, export PNG, and we can make it for 4K or 8K to be high resolution of our image we are going to export. Click over this one, export file, and here you can find in its free plan your image of your cheat sheet is not clearly visible as we thought. So here I'm gonna show you a nice trick here how we can get this fully visible and crystal clear cheat sheet, and for sure for free. So now we can get this link, and now we can move on to another browser that for Microsoft Edge, because this amazing browser enjoys built-in screenshot tool, and it's not normal one but for scrolling screenshot tool. So here firstly just you can insert here the link here of our cheat sheets, okay, and it could be like this one, and now it's time to click over it. Perfect. This the original 8K of our PNG, like this one. So now it's time how we take a screenshot of this huge PNG. So now just head over to these 3 dots of this Edge browser, and you can find in this one, you can head over to this more tools, and you can find a stunning one that says screenshot, or you can hold in your keyboard Ctrl+Shift+S, and we can go for the first one here, and start from here, and here you can find move with you to the right, to the left, okay, until your margins of your cheat sheet. Scroll down to get all your content as you observe. Perfect one, and save. And your image here would be like this one. It's amazing and clear image. Now, in the first short, it's an image format, so it's time to convert this image to a more professional one, that is a BDF. So for sure, you can head over to Google and look for any website or any online tool to convert image to a BDF. Select your image, convert to BDF, download it like this one. Now it's time to move on how we can utilize this cheat sheet in Make My Online. Here, if you remember that I just inserted here this empty box to get utilized of this amazing one. So for sure, this cheat sheet is for tricks for beginners in swimming. So the best way here, you can provide these cheat sheets for people to get it for free or as a freebie. So people love to get anything here without any risk, without any kind of regret. So they can get all these cheat sheets completely for free, and when they open this cheat sheet, they can find amazing tips and tricks, hacks, workflows, and golden points here regarding the topic they are looking for. So here you can get the benefit of this cheat sheet and this visibility by going to this box where we can insert a call to action to promote a premium tool or another premium digital product, a course, ebooks, or affiliate marketing to promote something else relevant to the same topic and the same niche you are talking about in this cheat sheets. So people are in the normal flow. You can go this one, breathing techniques, arm movements, and so on and so forth, reaching the last box here, which you can highlight, and you can direct your customers to get more detailed guide or a premium digital product. So here how we can insert this call to action in this box and how we can make it clickable for free. This free software that says BDF Gear I love so much because it gives you many beautiful tools to customize your BDF completely for free. And for sure, just you can download this software in your device and start out your amazing journey to edit any PDF you like. So here, as for our PDF here, it could be like this one. And here we are gonna insert your text or your call to action that you can get from ChatGPT to be more professional, okay, to promote anything relevant to your topic and your content and your cheat sheet. Go this edit option and edit text, okay, and you can choose any color you want, like red for example. And as for here, you can insert your call to action from ChatGPT. It could be like this one, just you can customize it a little bit to be more inside your box as you see. Beautiful. And now how we can make this box clickable to your premium ebook or anything else as you see. So here you can, for example, link like this one, for example, from ChatGPT, for example, to be quick. And you can head over to tab as well and go to link action, and you can find create or edit link, and just you can highlight your box like that. It could be invisible for you, and make it invisible for your audience, invisible, and it navigate to URL and insert here your link as it is. And okay, that is, and now you can save your file. Perfect. So if anyone click over this button, he will be taken to your link. It could be affiliate link, digital product, YouTube channel, your website to get backlinks and so on. So that way you can bundle different cheat sheets regarding your topic and your niche to highlight yourself as an expert in your scope. As for swimming, traveling, pregnancy, self-improvement, public speaking, and so on and so forth. Thus, you can bundle all these cheat sheets and provide you to your audience completely for free. That way, you can take advantage of the high traffic and visiting to these cheat sheets, and here you can make your own product visible and liable to be clickable, and to get more traffic for the potential buyers and customers to get your premium digital product or your affiliate one, as you see. So here how we can promote these cheat sheets to provide as freebie. There are many ways for sure you can provide these freebies and announce in your TikTok videos, Instagram, Pinterest, and so on. Thus, you can create your post regarding your topic and direct people to get your free bundle of cheat sheets from the link in the bio. Okay, so that's an amazing way to get more traffic to your post, to your link in bio, where they can get your cheat sheets. Or the best way here, you can make an account on medium.com and Quora and LinkedIn, and then you can write articles talking about your topic and insert in between lines and paragraphs your call to action to get free guide or these cheat sheets. That way you can get more traffic for people who are love reading articles, and for people who are loving scrolling in these social media, Instagram, Pinterest, and so on. And for sure, as for uploading these cheat sheets, there are many ways to upload and sell these digital products even if they are for free. Like this one is file.io. Here you can upload your file and get a link to promote and share this product. Or for sure you can head over to one of the most popular one, that is Gumroad.com. Here you can sign up for free and upload your bundle of cheat sheets, and you can set its price $0. Therefore you can get more traffic for your cheat sheets, and by the way you can get also your email list of these potential customers. Or a great example of LinkedIn bio builders like beacons.ai. It's a beautiful website where you can create your landing page or LinkedIn bio for your social media accounts. And as well as this one, payhype.com, to sell your digital products even if it's for free. And for sure I will leave down below in the description box in the first comment a great list of the best selling digital products platforms, and here that way you can actually take advantage of one of the most beautiful digital products people are love to have and read and get insights about any topic, and that way you can make the max of it by promoting your products indirectly and in a smooth and not forced way, as we saw earlier in this video. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. See you in the next video.